Hey, what is up guys? Today we are going to have a quick unboxing and review of Motorola Verve 500. So now then, let's get started. This is a wireless in-ear headphone. The package comes like this with a flip pad. You have the two earbuds here and the carrying case, and with earbuds with different sizes. The earbuds comes in a good packaging. Firstly, I just received this useless book. And it comes with a micro USB charging cable, which we'll get into. Wow, this looks beautiful. You have 3 LEDs over here and the charging connectors. Obviously, you can also use with Siri and Google Assistants too. These earbuds comes in a sporty finish and there is a green touch to it, which makes it awesome with black. There are 2 connectors on the top. Wow, it really speaks for the quality. Quite comfortable in ears and it's not that loose. The case comes with a magnetic connector. It provides a battery life up to 9 hours with charging case. The case is compact and it's easily pocketable. It comes with latest Bluetooth technology with Bluetooth 5.0. Connecting to the phone is just as normal as any other Bluetooth headphones. The sound quality on these earbuds are amazing. These earbuds provide a full control with a button beneath them. You can single tap to play or pause the music and double tap for Google Assistant or Siri or Amazon Alexa. You can triple tap to change the music, which means it covers all the basics. That is pretty cool.